The core of our curriculum in London is our BIS programme, which stands for Basic, Intermediate and Superior. As the name suggests, on basic level, we start with those basic fundamental techniques that you can't learn from a book. Classical knife skills, the basic sauces, moving on to basic preparations in pâtisserie, such as crème anglaise. I know it's in French, but there is an English translation. You're not expected to know French to join our courses. Rest assured, in London, we deliver in English, so there's no translation needed. Within the BIS, you will learn from the basic level, where you learn your knife skills and your basic preparations, all the way up to superior, where you're creating showpieces that are your design. Within the basic level, we focus on, as we said, the basic techniques. We move on to the fundamentals of the practical applications. So we'll learn how to roll properly, we'll learn how to produce all of our puff pastries, all of our pastry products like pâte sucrée and pâte brisée. Then we'll move on to basic mousses and we'll learn how to handle setting agents. We'll learn how to whisk properly and how to manipulate our ingredients to work to their best ability. On intermediate, we move forward with those core curriculum ideas and we'll start taking them to the next level. So instead of working on a basic puff pastry item, we'll turn that puff pastry into, say, a gâteau Saint-Honoré or something which is a little bit more complex. When you join the school, you'll see that we have lots of rules and regulations. We're preparing you for a professional career. We set our standards very high. We have quite tight attendance to our programme because it's very intense. So if you miss more than a few days, you really do suffer on the practical skills that you need. Having studied on the basic level, where you will get to grips with all of those basic techniques and skills, once you've successfully passed your exam, and don't panic, you'll get lots of help with the exam study, ready for the practical exam. Once you've passed that, you'll progress on to the intermediate level. Intermediate level is where we take our basic components and skills and we'll refine those further. So for example, we might make a puff pastry on basic level and prepare a basic product with it. On intermediate, we'll use that puff pastry into a more complex dessert, which gives us more fundamental skill application. The intermediate level, we will cover some basic breads, but they are the middle layer of bread. It's not particularly advanced. For those students who really have a passion for bread baking, I'd recommend our boulangerie programme alongside the basic and intermediate and superior levels. Intermediate, we'll learn a little bit about our regional specialities. In pastry, for example, in London, we study a little cake decorating, which whets your appetite just a touch if you're interested in celebration cakes. And then we'll move forward on to superior. In London, our superior module is broken down into modules. We find that the students study more easily if they're focused on one key element. An example of that would be our afternoon tea module, which is specific to the London campus. Obviously, in central London, one of the things that all tourists need to do is to take part in an afternoon tea. We teach the afternoon tea module, and it is a very complex module with making over 30 items, which then served to your guests. So this is held at our Cordon restaurant, and it's a real life scenario. So we have guests coming in from outside, we have students serving the guests and explaining the dishes to the guest, and it's one of the highlights of our superior level programme. That, alongside preparation for your exam, where you'll be guided into producing your own creation. In Superior, we allow you to create a dish that's truly personalised to you. We set the parameters, we will help guide you and mentor you in how to flavour profile and develop the key skills, and then in the exam you're going to produce that for a panel of judges. Don't worry, we are very much aware of how intimidating this sounds, but by that point you'll be amazed at how far you've come. To enrol at the London campus, there's no prerequisite in cooking. You really just need to have the enthusiasm and the passion to take part. From the very first step, we'll show you the very basics, even how to hold a knife, crack an egg, the professional way. At the time of admission, you may choose to take the internship pathway option. This means that At the end of your superior study, you will go on an internship placement. You have the option to select whether that's a hotel, a restaurant, a bakery, or another establishment. We have links worldwide, so you're not pigeonholed into working in central London if that's not your choice. The internship is a great way to get a foot in the industry and show those professional chefs what you're made of. It is a pathway, so it means that you are going to have to be involved right from the very first week at the Cordon Bleu. On our basic level, we start teaching you about how to apply for jobs, what's the best way to write a resume, for example, and how to come across in an interview. You will have to go to an interview process with your internship partner, and hopefully you'll impress them enough that they'll offer you a position. Our internship students find that the skills that they've learned at the Cordon Bleu are so valuable in the workplace, and it's a chance to put those practical skills into reality. We have students studying around the world. As I said, it's not just central London. However, the London hotels are filled with our students, so there's definitely room for you.